Hey, Monisha?
Oh hey Ryu, I didn't see you there. Did you already get a table?
Yeah, right over here.
I am glad we had time to meet up.
Me too. So, what's going on?
Not much. You?
Not much. Hey, how did your interview go? Wasn't that today?
Oh, yeah. I think it went well. I don't know if I got the job yet, but they said they would call in a few days.
Well, I'm sure you did great. Good luck.
Thanks. I'm just happy that it's over. I was really nervous about it.
I can understand that. I get nervous before interviews, too.
Well, thanks for being supportive. I appreciate it.
Sure, no problem.